Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made a tripod stand for my HomePod Mini. It's actually super simple, and it looks really clean when it's done. Alright, first up, we're making the base ring. I start by drawing a circle with a diameter of 70 mm, and then I extrude it up 10 mm. Next, I use the shell command to hollow it out. Just select the top and bottom faces and set the wall thickness to 10 mm. To smooth things out, I add a 9 mm chamfer to the inside edge of the ring. Nice and clean. Now it's time to add the legs. I want 3 legs, evenly spaced, so that's 120 degrees apart. To do that, I divide the circle into 3 using construction lines. Quick tip, when you have the line tool active, hit X on your keyboard to switch to construction mode. Hit X again to go back to normal lines. Then I draw a construction circle with a 48 mm diameter. I want the centre of each leg to sit right where the construction lines cross this circle. At those points, I draw 3 circles, each with a 17 mm diameter. These will be the top parts of the legs. Next, we'll make the bottom part of the legs. They need to be 38 mm tall, so I create a new offset plane at 38 mm. In that plane, I draw another construction circle, this time 102 mm in diameter. Then I project the same construction lines we used earlier down into this plane. Where the lines intersect the circle, I draw new 5 mm diameter circles. These will be the bottom tips of the legs. I used loft to connect each top and bottom circle. Make sure that it is set to new body and not join at the bottom. Last step, I want to clean up the middle section of the legs to make it look nicer. So I draw a 50 mm circle, extrude it downward, and make sure the operation is set to cut. That trims out the middle part of the legs and gives the stand a much sleeker look. And there you go, a stylish, simple tripod stand for the HomePod Mini. If you liked this project, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more design builds. See you in the next one.